Are you struggling to create a professional CV? Don't worry, ChatGPT can help you make one in just a few minutes. If you're new here, consider subscribing to our channel for more tech tutorials, tips, and tricks. We regularly upload content to help you get the most out of your technology. First, open ChatGPT on your device. Then type a simple request like, "Create a CV for me." But to get the best results, you should give clear details about yourself. For example, my name is Carl Jackson, male, aged 22, born and living in Zion State, email carljackson@gmail.com. I did an A+ in a bachelor's degree in computer science in 2022 at St. Louis University. For high school, I went to Rock High School where I passed well with a first grade. I have been working at St. Lucia Airport as a cybersecurity employee. I'm good at playing football and driving. Also, I like helping the needy. I speak English, Spanish, and Swedish very well. Add there a declaration. The more details you provide, the better and more personalized your CV will look. You can also tell ChatGPT the type of job you're applying for, so it can adjust the CV to fit that role. Once ChatGPT generates your CV, go through it carefully. Edit any information that needs updating, and make sure it matches your style. You can even ask ChatGPT to format it differently or add things like a career objective, achievements, or a declaration at the end. Do you want me to make this CV professional in design, Word or PDF template style so it's ready to use, or keep it plain text? Say yes to get a downloadable CV. But we want a PDF file. Would you also like me to prepare a PDF version for easy job applications? That's a yes. Finally, download the PDF file. And just like that, you'll have a professional CV ready to impress employers. So next time you need a CV, don't stress. Let ChatGPT do the heavy lifting for you. You can also create a job application using this AI by simply writing a prompt. For example, write for me a job application at NASA. Continue and download the application and attach it to your CV.
If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a like and don't forget to subscribe. We've got plenty more fun to share with you.